What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to another episode of Spark Your Life. So last week we went ahead and we enclosed the porch, so I'm going to take you guys through a walkthrough right now and we'll see how it looks from the inside. So we were also able to put on a front door, so there's our front door, so that's pretty cool. And here is our front porch. Let's see if we can, oh there we go, that's so much better. So here's our front porch, so let's go ahead and see how it looks from the inside. Alright, so as you can see, it definitely opened up the whole floor plan a lot more. We came in and we went ahead and we added this addition, as you can see right behind me. We added in a brand new window and a brand new front door. Actually, my dad, and I'll show you guys this video, but there was a wall right here, obviously, that enclosed the porch, obviously the exterior wall that we took out. And my dad actually made a video. It's a 2-second video, you can't really see him, but I'm gonna show you that video right now.
So here's our job site, one that we're working on. Just gonna nail a couple of these boards here together. Right here on the floor. Not a whole lot left in the house. We're building it back now, put a new front door in. Gonna nail all this together. Uh-oh. Bummer deal. Broken window. What am I gonna do now?
So that was my dad's video. I don't even know if he knew I was gonna put it on YouTube or not. And let me know what you guys think, if you thought it was funny or not. But let's go ahead and continue with the walkthrough. So pretty much we went through and we laid out how this house is gonna look. And what we're gonna do is the entryway to this hallway right here is gonna be a door to a bedroom, and this is gonna be the bedroom. And it's gonna pretty much stop right here. And we're gonna have a walk-in closet kind of on this side. And then another bedroom is gonna be in this room, but we're gonna extend this wall right out here to about right there, so encompass that window. And then, so that'll make 2 really good sized bedrooms. So if you guys remember, we had a bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3 was over there, and that was the bathroom, that really small bathroom. So we're gonna turn that into a walk-in closet over there, 1 full bedroom, and we're gonna extend that wall, so this will all be a bedroom, and then we're gonna put just a small 2-foot closet right here along this wall. We're gonna have a door like right here for this bedroom. And then we're going to take this wall right here, and we're gonna move it out just a little bit. And this is gonna be a doorway to a nice big bathroom. So it's gonna be like an 8-foot by 8-foot bathroom. Then we're going to have a 2-foot coat closet here for the front entryway. And we're just gonna have a nice big front entryway, a nice closet, a nice place to take off your shoes and whatnot. So the bathroom, the 2 bedrooms, and then this is gonna basically be our living room and our kitchen. So we're gonna go ahead and raise that window up, and that's where the front sink's gonna be. Then a dishwasher by it, and we're gonna have a fridge over there. We're gonna have a nice big counter right here, and it's gonna have a stove on it, and it's gonna be beautiful. So that's our kitchen, but today, our main goal today is gonna be in the basement. So my dad and I are gonna work on this week, working out, studding up and laying out the floors upstairs. But in the basement, what we're gonna do, it is kind of darkened down here, but I'm gonna do a time lapse, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'll go over here in the corner so you can see, is we're gonna stud this out. So basically we got everything out of here. I did get that cooler or that freezer out of here. I'm super excited because it's in my garage right now and it's running, and I'm super happy it still works. But so today I'm gonna do a time lapse, and we're gonna go ahead and stud out this entire basement and see how that goes. So it's going really well. It's been going well, but it's been going slow. So right now the coronavirus is going on and it's happening, and it's kind of slowing up a lot of business at work for me. It's kind of slowing up us. My dad works. He's basically retired, but he works as like a maintenance guy in one of the hospitals around here, and I can't really see him, and he can't really see me. So we try to keep our distances, social distancing. But coming over here, we can still work. I'll let you walk outside because I want to show you guys something else that we did. So it's kind of hard because we can't work on it together, and it is a drag, but hopefully this will all pass and we'll be able to really kick it into high gear. We're still hoping to get it done this summer. Our 90 days just got cut to 60 and we've been swamped. So I don't know if you guys saw this yet, but we did find out that there's this nice path right here. It's a concrete path going all the way from the door into our new door. We actually just installed this new door right here, and I forget the combination, but we put a new door right here into the garage. The garage is pretty much the same, but thank you so much for watching, and we'll start ahead with the time lapse right now. See ya.